Hello guys, welcome back. Let's go and create this amazing slide. Now we have 671 subscribers, but we are going to have 1000 very soon. Let's go and create this. This is good for starting your presentation or ending your presentation. This is one slide first. Let's go and create it. We create a blank. We need to create two things. One, this, and second, this. How to create this? It's really easy. Let's go and see how to create this. Okay, let me undo it so we can have the real thing. We go to insert, we go to videos and stock videos. This is one of the Microsoft stock videos that I use. There are some good things in it. You can use them. Let's go down. I think it was really, where is it? It's a little hard to find. Let's see if we can find it or not. Okay, I can't find it, but the video is here. I'm sure the video is here. Okay, no problem. We use the video. We just go here and copy the video. We now have the video. For some of you, it's the first time seeing my videos. You can have this smart guide you want. These lines, we create them by using here. And the ruler is created like this. Okay, let's go and use it. We first create the video. Then we need to create this text. Let's see if we can see back of the text or not. It's not beautiful. You can see back of the text. Let's create something more amazing. We create a new slide at first. Insert a rectangle. And after that, we write our text in the text box. Let's create a text box. For example, graduation. Let me teach you a lesson. For example, we are wrong in spells. What we do, we right click here and we can fix the spelling. Okay, let's make it bigger in the font. I use impact. Let's make it bigger. Okay, it's big enough. After that, let's go and select all of it and combine them. Now, put it here. Okay. We need to change something. At first, we need to give it an outline. I said yellow outline. It's a good outline. Then we need to go to format shape and make the transparency too low. Okay. Now let's see if the outline, we can change the outline to something more visible. This is good. I don't know why the outline isn't showing. Let's see in the video. Okay. The outline is showing, but we need to do something more. What we need to do, we need to make our shape bigger and put it in the center. Now let's run it. As beautiful as you can see. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is the end of this lesson.